Hi there, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, welcome. Make sure you subscribe before leaving. So today I'm going to be showing you how to put together a self-care gift basket for her. So first up, I have this little kit here that has everything you need in it to do a pedicure. So it has the little toe separator, it has the little board, the emery board, the clippers, the file, the little brush to scrub the toes. Yes, sister girl can hook her own feet up. Now this next one here is just a brush that has the scrub part on the one end, and then it has the little part where if she need a little extra callus removal, she can also scrub her feet with that and get the hard grittiness off the bottom of her feet. You know, sometimes, you know, when you be just doing too much, you have that. Okay, anyway, so moving on here, this is from Lush. And these are some shower bombs. Basically, you take these and you hold them in your hand in the shower, because I did not know how to use them. The guy in the store showed me how to use them, but basically you put it in your hand and you let it soak up, and you take that and you just wash yourself with it. I thought it was cool. And Lush has some really nice things, a lot of handmade things they have in there. You just want to make sure you check the ingredients. Okay, so up next is this Olivia 3-piece travel set that she can take with her. It has a lavender and a fragrance-free scent, and then a facial wash. Okay, here also I got this from the Body Shop. This is a shea butter. It's a pure raw 100% natural shea butter. She can take this and, you know, put that on her skin to get all moisturized and greased up. And she can also use this to mix up some type of concoction if she wanted to. And I thought this was so cute. This is the tiniest little salt lamp that I've seen. And FYI, this is my first time putting together a gift basket, so be gentle on me in the comment section. Don't be coming for me now. And what is a gift basket without a loofah? So I have a loofah here. You know, you need to make sure you're switching out your loofahs, ladies. And this Cozy Days eye mask here for sleeping. You want to make sure that the room is real dark so that you can really get some real good REM sleep. You know, get your good REM sleep on. And I picked these up from the Body Shop as well. These are some facial masks. I have Chinese ginseng and rice. And next up we have the Himalayan charcoal and the Japanese matcha tea facial mask. I wanted to make sure that I had different options in there. So you just basically gather everything together, put it in a nice little basket, preferably like maybe their favorite color, if you know their favorite color, and just start to arrange everything in there all nice and cute. Now this basket is going to be different from a basket that if I was giving it to someone that was close by, I would have put the little plastic wrap and all that with the bow and all that kind of stuff on it. I could have done that too, but since I was sending it so far across the country, it would have been more expensive to send it off. So what I did was I just packed everything in this basket all cute, as cute as I could, you know, all neat and everything. I ain't gonna say cute, but neat, to make sure everything will fit in the basket. And you just play with it, you know, rearrange, do what you have to do. You want to have a nice presentation, and once you get it how you like it, you can proceed to, if you are shipping it off, to what I did was, ooh, I didn't know this box had a little tiny hole in it when I sent it. I'm just not seeing it as I'm editing this video, but it's already done shipped and they done opened it and everything. But anyway, I'm sorry, girl. Okay, so just put the gift basket into the box, and what you can do is, since you're not wrapping it with the nice cute little plastic, you can stuff it with some decorative tissue paper. So that's what you see me doing here. I am putting in this decorative tissue paper that I had on hand into the box, so that when she opens it, it's kind of like, oh, it's not just right away you just open the box and like, aha, like you want to like have a little surprise before the surprise, if you know what I mean. So you get your box ready to ship out, tape it up, do what you got to do. And also you want to put a nice little personal touch in there on top of the personal touch, which is a card written in your own writing. That's always nice. And girl, the one I made this basket for, when you see this video, don't be mad, but girl, I forgot to put in your nail polish. I'm so sorry. I was like, oh my gosh, I forgot to put the nail polish in there. What's a pedicure without some polish? My bad. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, thumbs it up and let me know that you would like to see more videos like this. Comment down below. Don't be shy. Say hi. And I will see you in the next one. Lord say the same. Keep it real.